Hi, I'm Jeff Durham, your curator of Himalayan art at the Asian Art Museum of San Francisco. Thank you for joining us today for this artifact on Maitreya's mysterious necklace. One of the Asian Art Museum's most justly famous works is Maitreya, the future Buddha from Gandhara in present-day Pakistan. And perhaps his most mysterious aspect is that impressive pendant. Now, Maitreya, as I said, is Buddha of the future, and when he arrives on Earth in an age to come, when things have gotten really bad, he'll re-establish the tradition's continuity, and the key is that necklace. It features two sphinxes that hold a mysterious octagonal object between them. What might this thing be? If only we could see inside, perhaps we would solve the riddle of the sphinxes. And as luck would have it, an example of just such a Gandharan amulet case has survived in the British Museum's collection. It's octagonal, and you can see the holes through which the beads are strung. Inside was found a strange deposit, the ashes of a deceased monk, along with several gold coins. Buddhist texts suggest that this was an eternal donation to the monk whose ashes were inside, and they also suggest that in Maitreya's case, these ashes belonged to one of the Buddha's disciples, thus establishing a physical link between past and present. Thus, we seem to have solved the riddle of Maitreya's sphinxes.